started spraying, and it acted like it was going in that car for a minute. Then that motherfucker started leaking out. Leaked right on the headers.
What?
Have a party in this motherfucker.
Yeah, 2 Mandingos. Oh shit, no. You turned on the light, my bad.
Post it in the stew, got the booth going crazy.
30 talk, yeah, yeah. Nigga let the 30 off. I ain't doing no chocolate to 30 talk. Nigga, I ain't doing no chocolate to 30 talk, yeah, yeah. 30 talk, yeah, yeah. Nigga let the 30 off. I ain't doing no chocolate to 30 talk. Nigga, I ain't doing no chocolate to 30 talk, yeah, yeah. Young devil, pull up Super B, D.I.Y blue with the Hemi, SRT, nigga don't get behind me, nah, nah. Young devil, pull up Super B, D.I.Y blue with the Hemi, SRT, nigga don't get behind me, nah, nah. 30 talk, yeah, yeah. Nigga let the 30 off. I ain't doing no chocolate to 30 talk. Nigga, I ain't doing no chocolate to 30 talk. Young devil, pull up Super B, D.I.Y blue with the Hemi, SRT, nigga don't get behind me, nah, nah.
Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.
Young devil.
Let's really plug them up so we can see what they look like.
Hell yeah, so they get put in. Get electrocuted. She made me happy. She made me smile.
Nah, for the camera, nigga. That me. Fuck what you talking about.
I got you now. Oh shit, that shit too deep in there. Oh yeah, 2 men in the dark. Come on, bro, pause.
Oh, my bad. I thought we was on that.
You turn the motion on, but you know I'm always gonna be around with that shit. Dance. But yeah.
Shine bright like the diamond.
God, man, that looks like a party. But I have a party in this motherfucker.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, the whole roof out this. Oh, I just seen a roach.
Oh, my bad.
Seen a roach. What I would just say, bro.
Yeah, man. What y'all see, man?
Got to see that.
It took me all day. That's why we still up.
Man, that nigga ain't do none of this shit. This had, oh, I did all that yesterday.
Look at the roof. Damn, is that a gas line, nigga?
The gas line on the roof? Is you stupid?
Oh, my bad. It's a lot of shit in that one.
Airbag line, nigga.
Yeah, man. Y'all see, man. And just like that.
It ain't back together.
I love you, concept.
Hey yo, Nash, you go crazy.
Walked in with this chain on me and this change on me, it's gon' rain today. She gon' fuck for a new purchase, so you know I'm just gon' fade away. I ain't worried about shit, I can leave my bitch, but I can't never leave my J's. Jack boy think shit sweet, and I look at my chain, on the bullets gon' rain today. Put this little bitch in a range, she wanna go to the mall. I been coping with the pain, I just keep pouring the deuce. Her drinking my soda, holla my diamonds, follow my diamonds. But bitch, I don't know ya. So what are you asking for?
Alright. Man, so we about 400 in. We got 400 more to go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, my hand, you see it? My hand's cramping up. It got stuck like this, man. Messing over it, man. I'm gonna need a raise, man. My bad, gang. I didn't get no tripod, so of course we can't set it up while we doing it and stuff.
Definitely ain't got no tripod.
I ain't even shoot an intro with this video, but we back with another video, man. I ain't gotta say it all.
I ain't find the blue gun?
No.
Look, I ain't gonna look for it.
More stars you
So
got.
what kind of glue is this?
Fuck, I don't even know, man.
Shit.
Nah, he ain't using no glue yet.
About 50.
50 more. I'm seeing 100 missing spots. So I'm gonna let him work while I sit up, my feet up. Hey.
Come on, man, play some styles. Damn. Nigga about 45. See how you talk about y'all game? He ain't really dedicated, man. What's wrong with him, man? He ain't trying to be a part of that SSG.
We ain't smoke so smooth man right now, nigga.
Yeah, I like how you said, yeah. Shout out to CJ, man. Tell him we need 2 of them pendants, man.
He see, look, whenever he see this video, he gonna re-see this video once we get signed to SSG. Like, yeah, they already knew what it was.
Yeah. We flying straight down to Houston, boy.
Yeah, for a day.
Yeah, so I just got done using this glue gun, burning my hand 163 times.
Caparoo.
Look, I'm gonna show you how to basically glue it. So you get your glue gun, you find your dot that you want to glue. Bam, you hit it. You see it? See it coming out? All you gotta do is really hit it once, especially if it's this type of glue gun, because it get real hot.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Help me untangle these motherfuckers now, man.
Oh, shit. Thought you was still looking for spots that wasn't glued.
Hell no. Whatever ain't glued getting pulled out.
Just yanking them bitches.
I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go tonight. It's nighttime, nigga. Time for the summer, bro.
Yeah. Glad you chilling, boy. You done ate the wall.
You gonna chew on the wall?
Son, we got them all back straight.
How many we got on the floor over there that we pulled out? Fine.
About 6. And we was already missing 50, so 56. It's definitely time consuming. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to you. But hard work pay off. So it'll be 1 o'clock in the morning. We'll be here until 6, till it's time to go to the real job.
Hell yeah. I ain't gonna lie. Doing this shit was well worth it though, for the most part. And then we got tangled up, but kind of got it untangled.
Made a skirt out of that bando. What's up, gang, man? We back with another. Nah, this ain't even another video. Man, what's up, gang, man? I ain't never get to show y'all the finishing on the stars and what it looked like. So I'm about to show y'all right now. So this is what it looks like right now. This is during the day too, but you can see how hard they hit. So, I think y'all can see. Yeah, so this is me driving. See how it look, man. They look sweet. Hopefully I don't crash out trying to record this, man. That man gonna kill me. Should I hit it? I was 12 behind us. Let's find out. Track pack. We ain't at the track. We in Mexico though, so we good, we good. I'm gonna wait till they get up out my way. Take his young turn. Man, this Kanye hitting like nothing, man. Look at him. Alright, so before I had to stop the clip, cause he was outside. What?
Huh?
Why do people start doing the most when the camera's on?
Now look, what happened was I put the antifreeze thing, the Freon thing on your car. It would start spraying, and it acted like it was going in that car for a minute. Then that motherfucker started leaking out.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I mean, at the end of the day, all you need to do is get something up there to fucking pump it in.
It is a bad trend we've been seeing in Louisville. More murders this year compared to last year, with more of them now unsolved. And families are wondering if the pandemic is partly to blame.
Say your name!
So wars on my city.
I thought somebody shooting firecrackers like pop, 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 and I heard about 6 shots.
Shots this family now knows took the life of their toddler.
Yeah, no.